How to turn on or turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device and log into your account. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which is also beside your profile at the top right. After you click on the three dots, click on Settings. In Settings, on the left side, click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, scroll down and click on Read Receipts. And to turn it on, make sure the circle is on the right side, and if you want to turn it off, make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on or turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.